Hi, myself Linga Reddy. In this session, we discuss pH calculations, ionic equilibrium, the chapter 11th class, and one by one we'll discuss strong acids, strong bases, and mixture of strong acids and mixture of strong bases, and mixture of strong acids and strong bases. So before going to the pH calculations, we want to know some basic information about pH calculations. So the pH calculation. So write on the given one formula, the pH, the calculate by the concentration of H plus ions. The pH is equal to minus negative logarithm of H plus concentration. And next one, POH, OH minus concentration means the POH is equal to minus negative logarithm of OH minus concentration. And we know that the pH scale, the present between 1 to 14. Okay. So the POH plus and pH is equal to 14. So pH is equal to what? 14 minus POH. So we know that the pH scale is present 1, 1 to 7 and 7 to 14. So this is the acidic 1 to 6. This is the neutral. This is basic 8 to 14 is basic. Before going to we discuss the some log conversions is very important here. So log A into B equal to log A plus log B. So next one, log x power y is equal to y into log x. So this is the two important conversion widely used in pH calculations. And we will start the strong acids. The strong acids 10 to the power of minus 2 molarity of HCl. Okay. So here, so what is the H plus concentration here? The H plus concentration is 10 to the power of minus 2 molarity. So here the pH is equal to minus negative logarithm of the H plus concentration 10 to the power of minus 2. So this minus 2 coming here, minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus, that is the pH is equal to 2 log 10. Log 10 is 1, that is we know that the pH is equal to 2. So this is the pH of HCl. And next one, the 10 to the power of minus 3 molarity of H2SO4. So here the H2SO4 dissociated into, we know that the H2SO4 dissociated into and strong acids and 2 H plus ion and SO4 minus 2. So what is the concentration, initial concentration here? The initial concentration 10 to the power of minus 3 and here 0 and 0. After t time, t equal to some time, that is 0 concentration of H2SO4, and here and 10 to the power of minus 3 the H plus concentration and 10 to the power of minus 3 concentration. Here multiply with n factor the H plus concentration. What is the here basicity? That here 2. So that multiply with n factor 2. So that is the H plus concentration. So pH is equal to negative logarithm of what is the H plus concentration? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So this we can write the pH is equal to negative log of the 2 and the minus into the minus the plus we are writing that we can conversion here log 3 and 10. So the pH is equal to here the minus the log 2 value, okay, minus log 2, that is 0.301 and plus log the plus 3 log 10 is 1. So pH is finally what here? 2.7. So this is the pH of H2SO4. And next one, the calculation of pH extremely diluted. Acids are strong acids only, but completely we are dilute. That means dilution means the H plus concentration is decreases. Okay. So for example, 10 to the power of 7 and 10 to the power of minus 8 and 10 to the power of 9. This pH is, we can calculate the pH value how we get here, 7 and 8 and 9. But acidic pH exists in only 1 to 6 only. The acidic pH, the 1 to 6 only. But here we get neutral one and basic one. So this time the H plus concentration is very less. So that is why the calculation of pH of extremely diluted. That time how we can calculate here? We are taking from total H plus. From water also we want to take the H plus concentration. We will see the one example here. So 10 to the power of minus 7, 10 to the power of minus 7 molarity of HCl. So what is the pH of this solution? So here we know that the H plus is dissociated into HCl, dissociated into H plus and Cl minus, and this concentration, H plus concentration, is minus 7, and this is also minus 10 to the power of minus 7. And so we are taking from very dilute, that is H plus concentration is very low, and we are taking from H plus concentrations from water also. We know that the in H2O dissociated like and H plus and OH minus. So in pure water the H plus concentration is 10 to the power of minus 7, that OH minus concentration is 10 to the power of minus 7. So here total H plus concentration, okay, total the H plus concentration is equal to, from this one, total H plus. So total H plus 10 to the power of minus 7 from water and 10 to the power of minus 7 from the H2O. So total we can calculate here, what will be get here, and the 2 H plus, the 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So what is the H plus concentration here? POH is equal to negative logarithm of the H plus concentration, what we got here, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So 2 into 10 to the power of the minus 7, this is the H plus concentration. But both in the very dilute solutions, the H plus concentration is very less in pH, the acids. So we want to consider the from the water also. So water generally and 25 degrees temperature, the H plus concentration is 10 to the power of minus 7. So here we can calculate here the pH is equal to minus negative logarithm of and 2 and logarithm of and 10 to the power of minus 7, and my negative logarithm of the value is here minus 0.301 plus, this is the, we can write here, this minus coming here, that plus, and log 10 is 1, we know that. So we can calculate this one, what will be get here, the pH is equal to 6.69, very nearly coming this value. So extremely diluted the pH. So we can take 10 to the power of 8, same, that is 10 to the power of minus 8 molarity of HCl. So calculate that pH. So here we know that the H plus concentration we are taking from the H plus concentration taking from 10 to the power of minus 8 is HCl, and the concentration here, and here 10 to the power of minus 7, this is from water. So total we can write here 10 to the power of minus 7 and 10 to the power of minus 1, this expression like this we want to write, and plus this. So that equal to what we get here, the H place concentration 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 7, and that equal to what here, this is the H plus concentration. So pH is equal to negative logarithm of the 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 7, the H plus concentration. So we know that here after we calculations, so we can write here negative logarithm of the 1.1 and minus log and 10 to the power of minus 7, and this minus coming here, that is a plus. So what will we get here, minus 0.1.1 means minus 0.041 and plus 10 to the power of the plus 7. So that equal to what here, the 6.95. So it is very nearly the equal to the neutral. Okay, so this is the extremely diluted the concentration of the acids. Okay, and the pH of calculation of this is the extremely diluted, that one. Here the pH of strong bases. Okay. So here the OH minus concentration, the OH minus concentration, what is the OH minus concentration here, 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus molarity. This is also we can write here 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molarity of OH minus the concentration. We know that the POH formula, POH is equal to negative logarithm of the OH minus concentration is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molarity, that concentration. So this is we can write here the POH is equal to the 2, we can write here negative logarithm of the 2 and minus log of the 10 to the power of minus 3, the H plus concentration. So this is we can write minus into minus, that is plus coming here, the pH is equal to negative logarithm of the 2 concentration, and we can write here that is a plus 3 and log 10. So log 10 is 1. Okay, now we get here what is the POH value here. The POH is equal to, so what's the here, 0.3 value, log minus log 2 value, and 3 and plus 3, that equal to what here, 2.7. So the POH is value, what is the here, the POH 2.7. We know that here the pH is equal to 14 minus, that is whatever the POH value, that is minus 2. So what is we will get here, the pH is equal to 11.3. So this is the pH of that concentration. And next one, next example here, the calcium hydroxides. Okay, we know that how it is dissociated calcium hydroxides. The calcium dissociated into calcium plus 2 and 2OH minus. So here what is the concentration of initial concentration here, that is initial concentration here, that 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 3, and here 0 and 0, and we'll get here after the initial the final concentration, what will we get here, 0. Here we got 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 3, here 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 3, but here we are multiply with the 10 factor, that is the acidity. Here how much is there, that is 2, and multiply with 2. So this is the OH minus concentration. So the POH is equal to negative logarithm of that, what is the concentration, 2 into 10 to the 2 into 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So this we can calculate here, what will we get, the pH is equal to the negative log of the 3 into 2 into 3, 6, the 0 coming here, 10 to the power of minus 4. So we'll get what, log and 6 into 10 to the power of minus 4, that normality. Okay, So we can get here finally this one calculate means we'll get pH is equal to POH is equal to and log minus log 3 minus log and 2 plus 4. So this lot is the log value here minus log 3 value minus 0.48 and minus 0.3 plus 4. So what will we get here? The POH is equal to 3.22. So we know that pH is equal to 14 minus 3.22. The pH is equal to, we'll get, what is the value here? 10.78. So this is strong base calculations. Here also same as like acids. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 7, 10 to the power of minus 8. So very low concentration OH minus is there. So we are taking from OH minus concentration from water also. So at 25 degrees temperature, the water in water, the OH minus concentration is 10 to the power of minus 7. So we are taking, I'm taking here the POH is equal to, so total OH minus we will calculate here. So the OH minus of total. So what is the total here? The from OH minus from the 10 to the power of minus 7 from this is NaOH and 10 to the power of minus 7 from this is the water. So this is from water, this is from NaOH. Both, what is the total concentration here? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So this is the OH minus concentration. Okay. So what is the pH formula POH? The POH is equal to log negative logarithm of the OH minus concentration. So what is the OH minus concentration? POH is equal to negative log of that 2 into 10 to the power of 7 the pH. Okay. So this is, we can calculate here. This is a very basic calculations. Okay, the pH is equal to, and what is it here? The 2 coming here, that negative log 2 and 10 to the power of minus 7. And we'll get this value, that minus into minus plus 7 and plus 7 into minus log 2 value, that POH is equal to 0.301 plus 1 log 10 is 1. So now we'll get the POH value that equal to what value we got here, 6.698. Okay, so the pH is equal to 14 minus what will we got here, POH 6.69. we'll get the pH is equal to 7.301. So this is the pH of NaOH. And next one, and NaOH they given very low concentration here also, that 10 to the power of minus 8. So we will calculate here the from the total OH minus, the total here OH minus, the total OH minus 10 to the power of minus 8 from the NaOH and 10 to the power of minus 7 from the H2O. And so we can calculate here 10 to the power of, this expressions I'm writing like this, 10 to the power of minus 7 into 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 1, that equal to 10 to the power of 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So the pH is equal to, what is the POH formula? POH is equal to negative logarithm of that OH concentration, how much here? 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So we'll get the pH value, we will get finally here, the pH is equal to 6.95 and the pH is equal to 14 minus 6.95, that equal to pH is equal to and 7.014, nearly become this value. So it is very dilute solutions. And next one, the mixture of acids. Okay, and here the mixture of the acids, how we can calculate the pH. they are giving the pH, all the mixture acids and HCl, H2SO4 and 300 ml of 0. molarity of HNO3. So all the mixture they are mixing in the one vessel. So what is the pH is here? So we want to calculate the pH, means we need the H plus concentration. So all the strong acids, how we can calculate the H plus concentration? So the normality equal to, for example here, normality of the 3 acid is there. We want normality of total, that is N4. So normality N4 is equal to, and first one what is the here, N1 V1 and plus N2 V2 and plus N3 V3 by total volume. Okay, the total volume. So we are taking total volume here. So first one, what is they are giving? So normality of HCl, molarity and normality same because of the basicity is 1 only. So here we can take the normality is 0.1 and the multiply with 500, and next one place, and next acid. Here the normality is 0.1, but here the basicity is 2. Okay, it is dissociated into 2 H plus ions, so that the basicity is 2. So multiply with 2, and what is the volume they are giving here? 200 ml, and place, and what is the here, the molarity and normality is same for HNO3, that because of basicity is 1 only. So 0.2 into and 300 ml and divided by what is it here, the total volume. So total volume how much? First one 500 ml and second one 200 ml and third one 300 ml. So finally we can calculate this one, what value we got here. This is the n factor is very important to multiply with this H2SO4. So here what will be get here, the total volume here. So total volume 5 into and 10 to the power of minus 2 the normality. So this is the H plus concentration. So the pH is equal to, what is the negative logarithm of the H plus concentration, how much we got? 15 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, and we can calculate here that negative, that 15 I am writing like this, and 5 into 3 and log minus log and 10 to the power of minus 2. So what will we get here? We'll get, this is a log, we write here log 5, that is 0.7 minus 0.48 minus, sorry, this is coming here, means the minus 2 coming here, that is minus into minus plus 2, and what will we get here? The pH is equal to 0.82. So this is a mixture of acids we are